Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you a Happy Mail from a Scrapbook Nerd. This is some stuff that I have purchased from them, and they are in Canada, and I actually find them a really great site to order from because they have a lot of really good product lines, and they have fairly reasonable prices. So when I saw this Simple Stories collection come out, I knew that it was going to be one of the ones that I would have to create with because it reminds me so much of Snow and Cocoa. I thought I would actually do my December daily with this collection. Now, this is not a Christmas collection, but I think it will work for my December daily. And the way I do my December daily, I take pictures, I journal everything in notes on my phone. Then I go back, I print everything, I print all my journaling, and then I create my album. I don't do it day by day, but I will show you all the things that I got from it and what I'm going to use it for. This is going to be the album that I create in. And I have been creating my albums in this before. I've tucked a couple of handmade embellishments in here that I know I want to include in my December daily, and they will actually match really nicely with this collection. So I tucked those in. But I'm going to use, I love these pockets, and I'll show you one of the reasons why this collection is great. I think the only thing I got a duplicate of are the puffy stickers. I love puffy stickers. I can never get enough puffy stickers. And the one thing I'm not super happy about is the quality of these. You can see that like the stickers are puckering. You see that? And it's not on all of them, but there definitely is a problem with the manufacturing of those. I really like these enamel dots. I don't normally get enamel dots with the collection. I love enamel dots, and I have so many that I don't typically get the ones that come, but these colors are all my favorites, and they match perfectly, obviously. So I did pick up a set of the enamel dots. I got the foam stickers. That's what these look like. I haven't seen a ton of videos on the collection here. What is this one called, this collection? It is, oh yeah, Feelin Frosty. So here's what comes in the collection there. So you can see a bit about how large the ephemera pieces. These are supposed to be page pieces. They're meant to be scrapbook pages, but I will have no problem. The thing I like about these brads is they're not actually brads. The most annoying thing about brads used to be having to deal with that big bulky wire pieces that were on the back. Because these don't have that, they're just stickers. They give you the look of a brad, and they don't have all that extra bulk. So I really love that. And they have these gorgeous little chipboard mini stickers. I love. And here's the larger chipboard stickers, and you can see all those same elements are in here. We've got the little critter, the snowman, the flower, the word snow, the snowflakes. So all like the same. This is just a single-sided one. I wish their chipboard was bigger. Like I wish they had, like the Crate Paper does, they have the 12 by 12 chipboard pieces. I got all of the ephemeras. I got both the Feelin Frosty bits and pieces and the Feelin Frosty journal bits. You can see the cute differences here. So these are more meant to be little places that you could have as layering pieces or little spots to journal. So I was really, I was disappointed that I couldn't get the collection kit, which is what I would have liked to have purchased. And then I was trying to decide if I should get the small paper pad because I'm using it for my December daily. I was tempted to just get this 6x8 paper pad because it comes not only with all of the pages, but they're double-sided, which is fantastic, which is really good too, because like when I do a paper here, I can just use one 4x4 sheet and then decorate both sides. So it's really nice. And then so what I'll do with these mostly is like I'll just cut, because of the size of this, I couldn't get two sets of 4x4s out of all of this. So I'll do 4x4, and then I'll have like a 2x4s or whatever left over that I can use as layering pieces. So that's probably what I'll do. I'll probably just cut this all up. It does actually come with quite a bit of let's see here, of different pages. I don't actually like these when they do this. I might try to use this as like my cover for my December daily, like on a cover page or something, because I could easily, in fact, like, what does that just look like here? Could easily just have this as a page, actually, even on its, actually, you know what, that is what I'm going to do. I am just going to punch this and put it as like a page in my book itself. That'll be nice, because otherwise I find these kind of hard to work with. But as a standalone page, and then I could actually scrapbook something on the back, I think that's how I'm going to use those pieces. So nice. So I'm glad I got this 6x6 paper pad. And then there's another one that goes this way, and so I could do another page like that. These big pages, that's what I think I'm going to do, these little scenes. So there's too many of them, though. I won't do it with all of them. Anyway, they do have a couple of 3x4s. There's 2 pages. Super cute. And they are different than the ones that you get. I'll show you, and then they repeat again. All exactly the same. I'll show you the difference here between the 12x12. Here. There they are right here. Because this is something that I was curious about. So if you order the 12x12 Feelin Frosty cardstock, it's different than the 6x8 paper pad cutouts here. So you can see they're all different. This way. So it's like you can see where they've got the same element here, different color, with no words, with words. These two things are the same design, but different patterns. Same thing here, words on the bottom, different colors. What else is similar? So that's completely a different one. And let's just see again if any. Oh yeah, so there's this is the same design. This is kind of the same design, but this is a moose, and this is a deer. Maybe a very realistic looking deer, but that must be what it is. Deers don't have like pointy triangular sort of noses like that, but this is a moose. Oh, and this is cute actually. One of my nieces really likes moose. I could keep one of these for her Christmas card next year and make that. Let's see, what's this similar to? Those are different. So anyway, okay, so that is the one cut apart page there. I really like the back as well. Beautiful color on that. These are just like my favorite colors. So you've got the polka dots and the trees, and you've got the, not crazy about the black on the back of this, but we'll make it work. Could even see fussy cutting some of these. I really like the B side. This is cute. We do a lot of these activities, sledding, skiing, skating. So even though it's not very Christmassy collection, we get a lot of snow, it actually will be more appropriate for a lot of the activities that we do in December, which is the main reason why I do the December daily. It's not necessarily to collect all of the Christmas traditions. That's a big part of it, but it also is a little snapshot of what our winter is like here, and even what our life is like in general. This is one thing that I got a duplicate of. I can hear my dog barking upstairs. Must be somebody here. Probably my son is coming home. Almost done here anyway. And then the last are the 3 cut apart sheets. This I love because you got the 2x2s and the 4x4s, which will be perfect for the album that I was showing you. And then there's all the B-sides. I love these tags, the way that they're blank on the back. So you could actually cut these all out and use them as a gift card and write your note to people. Beautiful. So thank you so much for watching. You can subscribe if you haven't already and watch for a video. I will share my December daily once it is all done. I apologize for the dog. I do not know why he is going so crazy at the door. He usually stops barking by now. There's definitely somebody out there. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.